Understanding, at one's wits' end. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, at one's wits' end. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe a state of extreme distress or confusion. If you've ever felt so puzzled or troubled that you just didn't know what to do next, then you've been at your wits' end. Let's explore this phrase together, breaking down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, at one's wits' end, refers to a situation where a person is so confused, frustrated, or worried that they feel they have no more solutions or strategies left to try. It's the point where your mental resources seem exhausted, leaving you feeling helpless or at a loss about what to do next. This expression is often used in challenging or perplexing situations, where the solution is not readily apparent. Understanding the origin of "at one's wits' end" can help us appreciate its use even more. This phrase originates from Old English, with wit referring to mental capabilities or intelligence. The expression is found in literature as early as the Psalm chapter 107 verse 27 in the Bible, describing sailors in peril at sea, so overwhelmed by the storm that they were at their wits' end, having exhausted all human wisdom and resources. This historical context enriches its meaning, linking it to scenarios of extreme desperation or anxiety. Now that we understand what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use this phrase. You can use "at one's wits' end" in both formal and informal contexts. It's perfect for conveying a deep sense of desperation or confusion. Here are a few examples. After trying all possible solutions, I'm at my wits' end trying to fix this computer. She was at her wits' end after searching for her lost keys for hours. Remember, using this phrase in your conversations or writing adds depth and emotion, illustrating a profound level of distress or perplexity. And there you have it. At one's wits' end is a powerful expression to articulate a moment of extreme confusion or frustration, where all seems lost, and solutions are hard to find. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and helping you express complex emotions more effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!